Introduction. This text is from a historical fiction story called Lightning Strike by Lightning Strike. It is based on real events of the Hart match girls' strike in London, where young girls working in a match factory protested against poor working conditions and dangerous chemicals. The story shows how a girl named Eliza uses intelligence, confidence, and persuasive language to convince the factory owner to improve conditions. She uses flattery and clever speaking instead of violence to win justice for the workers. The story highlights unfair treatment of poor workers and the power of words. Summary of the story. The story is set in 1888 at the Bryant or May match factory in Bow, London. The workers are mostly young girls, some under 14 years old. They are paid very little money and treated badly by factory management. They also work with dangerous white phosphorus, which causes a deadly disease called Fossey Joe, starting with toothache and leading to serious facial damage and even death. The girls decide to strike, stop working, to demand better pay and safer working conditions. The main character, Eliza, is one of these girls. She gets the courage to speak to the factory owner, Mr. Wilkinson, who is worried about his reputation. The foreman, Mr. Fettler, also plays an important role in controlling workers. Eliza carefully studies Mr. Wilkinson's personality. She realizes he cares a lot about his image as a respectable and kind businessman. So she decides to play a role and pretend to be innocent and simple, like the sheep-like girls people expect them to be. This is part of her clever plan. When she speaks to Mr. Wilkinson, she uses polite and flattering language. She praises him as a fair-minded gentleman and a kind man. She also suggests that he might not know about the bad conditions in his factory. She hints that Mr. Fettler may be hiding information from him. This makes Mr. Wilkinson think that he is not responsible for the problem. Eliza understands that flattery is powerful. She knows that people in power, especially men like Mr. Wilkinson, like to feel respected and important. By flattering him, she makes him feel good and more open to agreeing with her demands. Because of her clever strategy, Mr. Wilkinson begins to believe her words. He looks at Mr. Fettler and starts doubting him. He decides that Mr. Fettler has not informed him properly. Then he agrees to fix the problems in the factory and meet the workers' demands. The girls win the strike. However, Eliza realizes that simply removing Mr. Fettler is not enough because another similar person may replace him. So she quickly suggests a better system. She proposes that the girls should elect their own representatives or committee. These representatives will directly report to Mr. Wilkinson, bypassing the foreman. Mr. Wilkinson agrees to this idea, thinking it is reasonable. Eliza succeeds not through force, but through smart thinking, language, and persuasion. The story ends with her quietly satisfied, while the unfair foreman is humiliated. The story shows that in the late 19th century, poor workers, especially girls, were exploited, but change was possible through courage, intelligence, and speaking up. Short answers. Question: what part does Eliza decide to play when talking to Mr. Wilkinson? Why? Answer: Eliza decides to act like a simple and innocent girl because she wants Mr. Wilkinson to trust her and listen to her carefully. A2. Question: what question does Eliza ask Mr. Wilkinson which gives him a way out? Answer: she asks whether Mr. Fettler tells him everything about the factory or hides information from him. A3. Question: how does Mr. Wilkinson want to appear to the outside world, especially those who might invest in his factory? Answer: he wants to appear as a kind, fair, and respectable businessman who treats his workers well. A4. Question: what else does Eliza realize the workers need in lines except say peanut? Answer: she realizes they need a system where girls can choose their own representatives to report directly to the owner. B1. Question: Eliza uses several idiomatic phrases that refer to the animal kingdom. Explain their meaning. Answer: A. Sheep-like girls, innocent and easily controlled girls. B. Purrs like a cat that's got the cream, someone very pleased and proud. C. Straight from the horse's mouth, information from a direct and reliable source. D. Would have shriveled a slug, very strong, sharp reaction or look. Why animal imagery is effective? It makes the descriptions clearer, more emotional, and easier to imagine. B2. Question. How does Aliza use flattering language and persuasive techniques to make Mr. Wilkinson agree? Answer. She praises him as a fair-minded gentleman and kind man. She also suggests he is unaware of the problems, making him feel respected and important. This makes him trust her and agree with her demands. Question. What impression do you get of late 19th century England? Answer. It was unfair and harsh for poor workers, especially girls. They were exploited and had dangerous working conditions. C2. Question. Do you think it is important to fictionalize historical events today? Why not? Answer. Yes, because it makes history easier to understand and more interesting for readers. C3. Question. Do you believe persuasive words make a difference? Answer. Yes, because words can change people's opinions and help solve problems peacefully. Grammar, language exercises. Idioms meanings stretch zone. Get the sack to be fired from a job. Cut from the same cloth people who are very similar. Back to square one starting again from the beginning. Nip any trouble in the bud, stop problems early before they grow. Got the push was removed or fired from job. Language tip. Rhetorical question, a question asked to make a point, not to get an answer. Example, well then, why not play that part, just for a bit? Important MCQs. Who wrote Lightning Strike? Tanya Lendman, Rachel Carson, Greta Thunberg, Sarah Qureshi. Answer, Tanya Lendman. The story is based on which year? 1888 बटा 1900 1960 बटा 2000. Answer, 1888. Where is the story set? Paris, London, New York, Delhi. Answer, London. What factory is mentioned? Chocolate match factory, shoe factory, paper factory. Answer, match factory. Who is the me character? Aliza, Sarah, Mary, Anna. Answer, Aliza. What do the girls demand? More holidays, better pay and conditions, new machines, less work. Answer, better pay and conditions. What dangerous chemical is used? Chlorine, white phosphorus, mercury, salt. Answer, white phosphorus. What disease is mentioned? Flu, Foci Joe, cancer, malaria. Answer, Foci Joe. Who is Mr. Wilkinson? Worker, factory owner, teacher, doctor. Answer, factory owner. Who is Mr. Fetteler? Cook, foreman, driver, worker. Answer, foreman. What strategy does Aliza use? Force, flattery and persuasion, violence, silence. Answer, flattery and persuasion. What does Aliza pretend to be? Angry girl, innocent girl, rich girl, doctor. Answer, innocent girl. What does sheep-like girls mean? Strong girls, innocent girls, leaders, workers only. Answer, innocent girls. What does Mr. Wilkinson care about most? Money only, reputation, travel, food. Answer, reputation. What does Aliza suggest about Mr. Fetteler? He is honest, he hides information, he is kind, he is rich. Answer, he hides information. What does flattery mean? Insult, false praise, truth, advice. Answer, false praise. What happens to Mr. Wilkinson's opinion? He becomes angry, he trusts Aliza, he leaves, he ignores her. Answer, he trusts Aliza. What is Aliza offering him? A job, a way out, a reward, a punishment. Answer, a way out. What does straight from the horse's mouth mean? Fake news, direct information, joke, story. Answer, direct information. What does Aliza propose at the end? Close factory, elect representatives, more workers, less pay. Answer, elect representatives. What is the result of the strike? Failure, success, no change, confusion. Answer, success. What replaces Mr. Fatala idea? New system, same system, no system, school system. Answer, new system. What does back to square one mean? Success, start again, finish, stop forever. Answer, start again. What does Mr. Wilkinson think of himself? Unimportant, respectable gentleman, poor worker, student. Answer, respectable gentleman. What tone is used in Aliza's speech? Funny, persuasive, angry, silent. Answer, persuasive. What is the main theme? War, workers' rights, travel, sports. Answer, workers' rights. What happens to Mr. Fatala? Promoted, blamed, rewarded, ignored. Answer, blamed. What does Aliza use most effectively? Money, words, weapons, machines. Answer, words. What does cut from the same cloth mean? Different people, similar people, strong people, weak people. Answer, similar people. What is the main message of the story? Silence helps, words encourage, create change, money is everything, work is easy. Answer, words encourage, create change.